Have you ever wished your computer could record everything what you do? Yes, it can do. And no one talks about it. Let us start recording. Search for Steps Recorder. Click Start Record. Open a few apps or folders and stop recording. It will show results. It shows every click, every screen, and writes the steps for you. Perfect for tutorials, bugs, or teaching family. It's a built-in free and no one uses it. Follow my channel and for more tech tools hiding in our computer. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe.